Hey guys, Umato Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Oh my goodness guys, today I look different. I look cute with these sunglasses. I got these sunglasses from famu.com. Famu.com, it's a company that sells glasses. They have all sunglasses, they have prescription glasses, they have fancy glasses, you name it. If you are somebody who wanted to get those perfect sunglasses, guys, these sunglasses, I tell you, when it's summer, I'm rocking in these sunglasses, and they have this extra glare that they put. Oh my goodness, you look fancy, and I tell you, even that sun rays that coming to you is not gonna penetrate through. You are driving as normal as you can. So if you have that problem when you see the sun hitting you, go to famu.com. and if you want your prescriptions glasses, guys, make sure you go to famu.com. I'm gonna put their link in my description box here, and make sure when you go there you use my promo code so that you can get 50% of every frame that you order. You name it, sunglasses and prescription glasses, you get it. Famu.com is a place to be. Okay guys, so leave that one aside. Today's video is a unique video. I have my notes here. I usually go with notes, so because I want to tell you exactly what really I want to tell you. Okay, so this video we're gonna do today is about Christmas. It's about the unique gifts for adults. Get me right, unique gifts for adults only. Okay. If you are going to get a unique, those special people you love, these are the list that I want you to go with. I know most of you guys are struggling. What am I going to give my grandma? What am I going to give my auntie? What am I going to give my uncle? So don't worry. Umoto Lifestyle is here to do research for you, so that to know, I go to the ground and ask people what they really want. So these are the unique gifts that people say they want. One gift that they say, everybody is saying, is a custom coffee mug. You know, most people love to drink coffee, myself included. And when people drink coffee, they need that cutie mug that has their name or initials in there, so that they can feel like they actually, somebody cared, went extra mile to custom their mug, so they give it to them. I'm going to show you a cup that I got from my work. Big custom cup. I'm not gonna say in detail about my work. I don't like to say that, but I got this mug from my work. It has my name, but I'm gonna show you from the back so that you see what I did with the mug. This is the mug I got from my work. I'm not showing the other side because that's my real name. I don't want to show that. So it has my name, and somebody went as far as this to custom this mug for me. It has a top, but I decided to use it to put all my makeup brushes here. Okay, so when I want a makeup brush, I just grab it and do it here, and it fits really well on my counter here, so that I can use it. So somebody actually did this for me. So if you can customize somebody something like this, they will love it in this Christmas. Okay, I wanted to show you. This is mine, and I still remember this person, and I love them so much. Okay, you see how extra somebody can go. Another thing that people were saying, you can customize a candle. People love candles. You can ask people, maybe if you know somebody, some people love smelly candles and some people don't like their smell. So you can go ahead and ask somebody what kind of smell they love, or you can make edible candles, Go as far as and do that. If you can customize that, go ahead out of the box, be creative, and go ahead and create that beautiful, amazing candle that somebody will remember you for the rest of their lives. Okay. That's number two. Another thing that people were saying that are unique is ornaments. People love ornaments, especially grandmas. They love ornaments. If you can go there and customize something and put their initial there, put their names there, decorate it in your own way. Take your time. This unique gift is about taking your time to actually customize and fix something for somebody who you love. Pouring all your heart out to give to somebody. So if you can do those ornaments, people love ornaments, okay? Go ahead and give somebody, okay? So don't struggle here. Motor Lifestyle is here. Another thing that was so unique, you know, I see people gifting, but I didn't know that people can go as far as they can grow in-home plants. Like you are the kind of person who loves to organic, you know, you love to grow plants, and you love those plants so much, and there's somebody this year that you want to give to that one of the plants, and somebody who also loves the plants, you can gift one plant to person, or you can grow a plant for somebody to gift next year. That's why I say start early. If you start organizing yourself early, and you know, this year I'm gonna give so and so, I need to grow these plants for so and so, go ahead and do that. That is a unique gift, okay? Homegrown plant is a unique gift this year that you're gonna think about gifting somebody, okay? Another thing that people were saying is a calendar. You know, people need to know where, when, what. So if you can offer somebody a customized calendar, oh my goodness. Or some people were saying we can give somebody a board game. People love to play games, you know. Games and calendars, they go together. So if you can custom a calendar and gift it to somebody that who you know that they will use it, go ahead and customize it and give it to them, okay? How many are there today? I'm not counting. I want you to count for me and tell me how many gifts, unique gifts that I've said here, okay? I know today my words are here and there, guys. I'm tired. I'm coming from work, so I am tired, and I need to make this video for you because I know most of you are busy as well, so you don't have time to kind of go and do all this. So I just want to go extra mile to make sure that you guys, I got you, okay? Another thing that people were saying is that you can customize a basket, okay? If you a basket can be edible, or it can be just a bunch of things that you like somebody, or you know the character of somebody. You can just organize and customize a good basket and put some oranges in there, put some edible things in there, there's sweets in there that you know somebody loves, and make it a basket and give it to somebody. Or another basket, you can just put in some calendar, put some good sticks in there, put some notes, put some pencils and pens in, and what? And the planners, okay? Make a basket or customize a basket of something. This year, people really want baskets. If you can do edible or non-edible things, make a really fancy basket and hand it to somebody when they open there. Or you can make a basket of a grocery, you know, and put it in there. When they open, they find a bunch of things. Instead of giving a single thing, you can just give, you know, a package. That will really a basket. That will really help, okay? Those are some of the unique things. Another things people were saying is that you can give perfumes. You know, those people love perfumes in different franchises. You can just get somebody some kind of perfume that they love, or maybe by asking them. This year people need perfume as well, so go ahead, and for men, for women, go ahead and choose a perfume, or ask them what they, you know, what they love to smell, and give them that perfume. Another customized thing that you can do is actually you can customize pillows. People love pillows. You can customize with their names in there. You can customize with anything that you know they love. Go ahead and customize those pillows, or the cotton pillows or satin pillows, and hand them as a gift to somebody, okay? So another thing that people were overwhelmingly wanted you to customize is a gift card. A gift card can be customized so that people want to go to a spa. They want to go to a massage. So if you can customize a mini basket that includes a gift card that goes to the spa, a gift card that goes to a massage, a gift card that goes out, people this year will love that. Guys, Umoto Lifestyle is here to help you. If you are not ready, you're confused like I was, but right now I think I know what to give to people. make sure you tune into this channel so that you know what you're going to give this year. I know this year most people are busy, stressed out, according to the questions that I'm asking on my IG, and people are saying, you can see that this year people are really stressed out. So go ahead and ask somebody or start early so that you know what they need, okay? And don't stress yourself if you don't gift, if you're not gifting this year. No one is gonna beat you up, okay? Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, Umoto Lifestyle, and don't forget to go check in on formu.com so that you can get all your glasses needs, prescription glasses, sunglasses like this one. I love my sunglasses actually, guys. Make sure, and you can get 50% actually if you use my promo code so that you can enjoy your sunglasses, okay? Go ahead and comment below, share. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.